seats and sit down. Everybody.
Calm down.
Hey, get off. I'll blow your head off if you touch anybody. Okay, go back to your seat. Go. Yes, there's a bomb on this train. We can't stop or even reduce the speed below 60 miles per hour, or the bomb will explode. We can either panic right now and make things hard, or we can stay calm and trust the government to get us out of this mess.
For more entertainment, log on and subscribe to www.youtube.com/Venus Movies.